Shut up and sit down.
Welcome to an North Wales side-by-side video. What I'm going to show you in this quick video is how to remove the rear wiper blade off the very fragile plastic arm. That's the plastic arm, that's the wiper blade. So what you do, pull the arm away from the glass so it's in that position. Grab the blade as I'm doing, and you just give it a push and remove it. It sits on that little peg there and lines up with that slot, and that little bit of the arm there has got a serration on it that locates down here. To put it back on, you just put it back over, I'm trying to do all this one-handed. Put it back over. It's now located in the peg. Give it a little snap and it relocates itself. That's how you take it off so you can change the rubber. Thanks for watching the North Wales side-by-side video.